Hello, this is Prince Eriku. Welcome back to my brand new video. I'm in Tanzania right now, and I'm so glad to be in my city, Zanzibar. Zanzibar is a part of Tanzania and it is classed as a semi-autonomous. Zanzibar referred to the Zanzibar archipelago. It has many small islands and two large ones, which are Unguja and Pemba. Zanzibar has got so many beautiful and amazing beaches with a lot of tourist attractions. And today I've got a chance to visit Mapinduzi Memorial Tower at Michenzani. Mapinduzi Memorial Tower was founded in 2018 and it was inaugurated by His Excellency Dr. Ali Mohammed Shein, the President of Zanzibar and the Chairman of the Revolutionary Council. Mapinduzi Memorial Tower is divided into 9 floors, but right now only 3 floors are active, which are museum, restaurant and rooftop. So I will show you how it is and you will get some information.
Karibuni sana katika museum yetu. Makumbusho yetu kama ilivyo jina. Makumbusho yetu tunaita makumbusho ya kumbukumbu ya mapinduzi ya Zanzibar. Zanzibar ni nchi ambayo ilipatikana kwa njia ya mapinduzi, na ndio maana ZSSF wakaamua kuanzisha makumbusho ambayo itakuwa inaangalia masuala mazima ya mapinduzi ili kuweza kuitunza ile historia ya mapinduzi ya Zanzibar ili vijana wetu waweze kuifahamu.
Thank you for watching, but I would like to advise you to come and visit to get historical information from museum, to get delicious food from the restaurant and best view of the city from rooftop. So please guys, come to visit the first and only revolving restaurant in Zanzibar, which is Mapinduzi Revolving Restaurant. Thank you.